Good morning, another day, another video. So we got some print shop stuff to do. Right now I'm setting up some files for the printer to run and cut. This is actually a really good customer, but their artwork is always kind of iffy. Sometimes it's perfect, sometimes it's not. It's like right now, this is what we got. And this one is working really well. I actually set it up on Adobe first, so I expected that one to work well. It had a whole background. We had to cut the background out and live trace all that. Came out pretty clean. And then our other one here is the one that I'm worried about. So import that. So it's in all white, so I know y'all can't see it right now. Let's add our contour cut. Exact size with holes. Make this contour cut. And cut it. Alright, now we need it 30 inches. It's currently at 20, so. Bam, there it is. Copy. Paste. There we go. Breaker, you making all this ruckus? What are you doing? Huh? Now we'll switch from this banner material back over to the vehicle vinyl. I use vehicle vinyl for everything. I just like using it. It's got air release channels. It's nice and easy to work with. Has a great print quality. And I'm just a fan. So, get this unloaded. Go into our load menu. Roll of vinyl is loaded. Now we just come up here. Hit our rip and print. Oh, actually before we do that, come over here to Production Manager. Say yes. We know we did vinyl. Yes, we'll set the width. Clear out that old job. Alright. Back over here. We will. Alright, there it is. So this says banner. This says vinyl. We want to use vinyl settings. Alright, I like to come down here and center it. So this one will actually fit sideways, so that's nice. Right at 39 inches wide, 30 inches long, so that'll save us a little vinyl. Hit send, done, close that, and then it'll pop up right there. And obviously this one is in white, so when it comes off the printer there's actually not going to be any ink there. This will all be on the cutter. But instead of running these two little ones unloading the vinyl, putting it over on the cutter, cutting this out, and then having just a little section to cut this out. I found it's more efficient to just go ahead and throw your cut vinyl in with your print files, make one panel, and just cut it all at once. Next up, I'll show y'all what this looks like coming off the printer. We'll get it cut, weeded, taped, and then we'll head off and do the install on it. Here it is. See what I mean about how the print quality is? Super clean. Like, those colors are perfect. Now the cutter just goes through, reads the barcode, reads all these little registration marks, and then it'll chop everything out. Got everything cut out. Obviously you still can't tell what's here, but this next step you'll be able to see it all. This part's always a little tricky because it's hard to tell where you're supposed to cut at. See, you can see some of the graphic now. See, everything's starting to be seen now. Keep rolling like that, and I'll show y'all what it looks like when everything's weeded. There's the finished product. Come on, camera. I don't understand what's wrong with this thing. Literally brand new. Just focus. Tennessee Deckmasters and Waterfront ink. Throw that transfer tape on it. Be ready for install. Here, this will help y'all see it a lot better. Hold it up to the light. Not bad, not bad. Alright, let's go install these. Let's get this knocked out. I did all this other panel the other day. Just gonna get this extra window. Now I've got to pull this off and do the same thing again. There we go. All fixed up. There we have it. Final install done. It's here for about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. Definitely not the fastest out there, but they're not paying you by the hour. I just quote it by the job, however long it takes me. As you can see, I measure and remeasure, then measure again, and then remeasure those measurements. And then I measure again, and make sure it's perfect. So I like it all to be centered and nice. Those people actually build super high-end docks, so they want everything perfect also. So taking a little extra time, throwing a couple extra measurements on it, it's no big deal. If you're off center on that, they will notice. And it's not just them, I do that for every customer. I even have some people tell me just slap it on there, they don't care, but I just can't do it. Well, we're gonna head back to the office. Had like 7 emails come in since I got here. So we're gonna go get caught up on all that. And that'll be all for today. People let me out, and that was a little sketchy because the other lane didn't stop. Anyways, see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.